Hey guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a product review, and I'll be reviewing the Neutrogena Body Oil. Yes, I'll be doing a review of this product, so please stick around till the end of this video so you can hear all I have to say about this body oil. Yes, welcome back guys. So this is the Neutrogena Body Oil. It comes in a 250 ml container. Sorry, the sticker is looking worn out because I don't even know. Once the oil starts touching the sticker starts to peel out. So yes, that's why it's looking rough. Anyway, back to my review. Yes, so this is the 250 ml Neutrogena Body Oil. They said it's a light sesame formula and it's a sheer moisturizing experience. The ingredients are isopropyl, myristate. No, please forget about that ingredient. Sesame indicum, that's sesame oil, seed oil, fragrance, and something that I don't know, BHT. I really don't know what that is, but I'll find out after this video. Yes, so what has been my experience with using this oil? This oil, if you're somebody that has like really dry skin, like Sahara Desert kind of dry skin, and you've tried a lot of moisturizers and they're not really working for you, this is the body oil to try, because this body oil is really hydrating. I've been using it since January. Yes, I believe, yes, I bought it and started using it since January because the body lotion I was using was not sufficiently moisturizing for the Harmattan weather. So that was why I got this body oil. Another thing I really like about this body oil, aside the fact that it's really moisturizing, is the scent. It smells really great. It smells really nice. It's a soft mild smell. Is not choking, and yes, you really enjoy it. There are 3 ways you can use this body oil. You can use it directly on your skin after taking your bath. When your skin is damp, you just pour a little portion on your hand and apply it to your body. You can also add it to your bathing water and use it to bathe. It will kind of like soften up your skin for you, and then you can also now apply it back again after you finish bathing, or apply a moisturizer. I find that adding it to my bathing water is not really enjoyable because it's not as if I soak myself in my bathtub. I use a bucket and I feel like I don't really get the full benefits of when you add the oil into your bathing water. But if you're somebody that has time to soak in a bathtub and all that, by all means you can go ahead and do that. Another way you can use this body oil is as a shaving oil. You can use it in place of your shaving cream and it just gets the hair out at once. So yes, that's another way you can use the Neutrogena body oil. Aside using it in those ways, you can also use it as an occlusive, like a top up, the last thing you apply on your body after applying your moisturizer, and it will really give your skin a healthy glow. Okay, so generally the benefits of this oil are that it is really fast absorbing. It doesn't really feel greasy like most oils do. Once you apply it, it just dissolves into your skin. Another thing is that it is really lightweight. You can even see it from the color. It almost looks like it's water, and it will just deeply penetrate into your skin. Another great thing is the mild lovely scent that it has, and the fact that it is fast absorbing. What is absorbing? It absorbs fast into the skin. For example, that's even too much. You can see it has just absorbed into my skin and it doesn't feel greasy or oily. It just dissolves out and yes, you are good to go. So yes, if you are somebody that suffers from really dry and dehydrated skin and you are looking for something that would hold in moisture in your skin, keep your skin really hydrated throughout the day, this Neutrogena body oil is something to definitely try out. And yeah, it will give you a really healthy glow and make your skin look really soft and hydrated. Okay, yes. Another thing that most people ask me when I do product review is, can it be used on the face? I'll need to put a disclaimer here and say that I'm only speaking for my skin type, because I can't say if it will be good on the face of other people. But I tried to use this Neutrogena on my face and it broke me out. It made me had tiny pimples all over my face, and I discontinued it and then it stopped. So I would not really advise you to use this product on your face. However, you might want to experiment and see. I have a friend that uses it all over her body, including her face, and it doesn't break her out. So people have different skin types, and you might want to try it out and see what works best for you. Next, I will be talking about the price. I got this Neutrogena oil for 6,015 naira, which is quite pricey, because I went to another shop and I saw it for 4,800 naira, and I saw it in another shop again for 7,000 plus. So depending on where you're buying it from, you can purchase it for between 4,000 naira and 7,000 to 8,000 naira. This is March and I've been using it, like I said, since January. I use it mostly as a night cream. Yes, that's as a night body oil. That's what I wanted to mention. I use it mostly at night after taking my bath to go to bed. That's when I use it. That's when I feel like I enjoy its benefits better than when I rub it during the day and I go out. So yes, I use it as my nighttime body oil. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all I have to say about this body oil. It's a really great body oil, and if, for example, I'm asked to pick just one product to use on my skin, like of all the products I've ever used so far, to pick just one product to use on my skin, I'll definitely be going with this Neutrogena body oil, because it's just simple, easy to apply, and really great. Another thing I need to mention is that you're going to enjoy using this body oil if you use it when your body is still freshly damp from the skin, from taking a shower, not from the skin, from taking a shower. So the best time to use it is just after you take your bath, before the moisture is completely absorbed from your skin. I, for one, I normally leave some water on my skin when I apply it, and I feel like it's more effective and much more fast absorbing that way. So yes, that's that, guys, about the Neutrogena light sesame formula body oil for deep hydration and moisturization. Yes, guys, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, check out my other videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.